LinkedIn, your untapped moneymaker. LinkedIn, it's not just for job hunting anymore, it's evolved into a powerful platform for business growth and networking. It's a goldmine waiting to be tapped. Imagine the potential revenue streams you could unlock. You're a B2B creator? This is your playground. LinkedIn offers unparalleled opportunities for B2B engagement. Forget Instagram influencers. LinkedIn is where the real money is made. It's the ultimate platform for professional growth. For too long, creators have ignored LinkedIn's potential. Big mistake. The opportunities here are endless. This platform is teeming with businesses hungry for knowledge. They are actively seeking valuable insights. They crave your expertise. And guess what? They're ready to pay for it. Your knowledge is in high demand. You have the power to turn your LinkedIn presence into a revenue-generating machine. It's time to leverage it. Don't just build a network, build a business. Transform your connections into clients and partners. Let's dive into how you can monetize your expertise on LinkedIn. Stay tuned for actionable tips and strategies. Show me the money turning posts into profit. Want to get paid for your brilliant LinkedIn posts? You absolutely can. 2 words, sponsored content. Sponsored content is a powerful way to monetize your social media presence. By collaborating with brands, you can turn your passion for posting into a profitable venture. Partner with businesses that align with your niche. This ensures that your content remains relevant and engaging to your audience. It's all about finding the right fit. Craft engaging posts showcasing their products or services. Highlight the benefits and features in a way that resonates with your followers. Authenticity is key here. Boom! You're getting paid to do what you already do best. Create killer content. And the best part? You get to see the direct impact of your work through analytics. But it doesn't stop there. The more you engage, the more opportunities come your way. Build a strong following, and brands will come knocking. A larger audience means more visibility and more potential partnerships. They'll pay for your authentic voice. Your unique perspective is what sets you apart. They want access to your audience. Your followers trust you, and that trust is invaluable to brands. Leverage your influence, negotiate those deals, and watch your bank account grow. Remember, authenticity is key. Always stay true to your voice. Don't just promote anything that comes your way. Be selective. Choose partnerships that feel genuine to you and your audience. This will ensure long-term success and credibility. Level up courses for cash. You're an expert in your field. You've spent years honing your skills and gaining valuable experience. Now, it's time to share that expertise with the world. Share that knowledge and make bank with LinkedIn Learning. This platform allows you to reach a global audience eager to learn from professionals like you. Create in-depth courses on topics you're passionate about. Whether it's business development, marketing strategies, or technical skills, there's always someone looking to learn. Think about the skills you possess. What unique insights can you offer? What have you mastered that others struggle with? What problems can you help people solve? Identifying these pain points is crucial in creating a course that resonates with your audience. Structure your course, film high-quality videos, and upload it to LinkedIn Learning. Make sure your content is engaging and easy to follow. People are hungry to learn and willing to pay for valuable information. Your course could be the key to their success. LinkedIn Learning provides the perfect platform to reach a massive, engaged audience. With millions of users, your course has the potential to make a significant impact. Promote your course through your network, leverage LinkedIn's marketing tools, and watch the enrollments and the revenue roll in. The more you engage with your audience, the more successful your course will be. Want to get paid top dollar for your expertise? Position yourself as a consultant on LinkedIn. Highlight your skills, experience, and areas of specialization. Share insightful content that showcases your knowledge. Engage in industry discussions. Offer valuable advice and solutions. Become a thought leader in your space. When people see you as the go-to expert, they'll reach out for your services. Offer one-on-one consultations, group coaching, or customized training programs. Remember, consulting is all about building relationships and delivering results. Provide exceptional value, and your clients will become your biggest advocates. LinkedIn is a goldmine for B2B creators. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Monetize your expertise through sponsored content, courses, and consulting. Get creative, experiment, and find what works best for you. The key is to start today. Build your brand, engage your audience, and watch your LinkedIn empire grow.